Apple TV is slowly but surely becoming one of the top streaming services out there. Now, after being a customer for over a year, I found some pretty awesome hacks that will greatly improve your entire Apple TV experience. And that's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Where to Stream, where we just go over absolutely everything that has to deal with streaming. And we also talk about streaming hacks. We've done it for Prime Video, Netflix, Peacock, and now Apple TV. So if you like content like that and you want to see more, help me out on my entire YouTube journey and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of good content coming out. And if you learned anything from this video, help me out on my YouTube journey. Hit that like button. It is greatly appreciated. All right, now intro out of the way. Let's get into the good stuff. All right, now the first hack that I want to talk about is how you can predict and see what movies and what TV shows are coming to Apple TV before anyone else does, before there's a press release, before there's a trailer, before anyone knows. It's a little sneaky, but it is also really cool to see their content schedule way in advance. All right, now how you would do this, you would go to imdb.com, which is the Internet Movie Database if you've never heard of it before, and you would go to a movie that just got released on Apple TV. So for this example, we're gonna do Spirited, really good movie, just watched it, it's fantastic. But anyways, so what you would do is you would scroll down to details. Now, once you get to details, you are going to click on production companies. Now, once you do that, it's going to give you all the production companies that worked on this film, but it is also going to give you the distributors. So once you see that, you can see that Apple TV is the only distributor out there. So what you're going to do is you would click on Apple Television, and then it'll give you all of the Apple TV movies, current, past, and upcoming, that Apple TV Plus is going to distribute. They're going to put on their platform. So in order to get the stuff that hasn't come out yet, what you're going to do is you're going to click the year, and then you're going to click it again. So it's ascending, not descending, right? There's the other way around. It's going to give you all of the new projects. So you can scroll down and just peruse some of the films that have been announced, that are currently filming or in post-production. You can see the current production status of all these. All right, so then I scroll down and I start looking at what's to come. So for this example, I'm going to click on Sharper. I'm going to click on the completed ones. So Sharper is going to be released February 17th, 2023. Now there is no trailer, but you can see the cover art. You can see a small synopsis because it's still in its final stages of being released. I'm sure they're going to change that eventually. You could see who stars in it, who's directing, who wrote it. So now you could see secretly what shows are to come and what movies are to come. You could even click on the new Ferrari movie. That doesn't even have a release date, but you know it's a television show. You know it's coming. And how cool is that? And this would also kind of be a money-saving thing as well, because if you know one of your favorite things are coming out at a certain month, you could also cancel your subscription and just wait for that date to come and then get it again. So you can see the new releases before they get announced. How cool is that? All right, now the second hack that I want to talk about is how to get a 3-month free trial of Apple TV. Doesn't matter whether you're a new customer, old customer, doesn't matter. You can get 3 months for free. This is like almost unheard of now in the streaming realm. All right, now how you would do that? It is actually very, very simple. You would go to bestbuy.com and type in Apple TV Plus, Apple TV Plus. And once you do that, there is a free Apple TV Plus for 3 months digital download. So what you would do is you would add it to the cart. You do need a Best Buy account, but it's absolutely free. You just sign up how you would sign up for like a Facebook or whatever. Just give them your email, your name, and like that's essentially it. So you would add it to the cart. It's $0 and then check out. And then once you check out, it'll give you an initial confirmation or like an order confirmation. And then within an hour, it'll give you the details to get this 3 months for free. Now I did it and essentially it was one button. It said, click here to get your 3 months for free. You click it, you confirm the purchase on Apple, and then you have 3 months for free. It was that simple. It is that simple. Do not miss out on this fantastic deal. So you get 3 months of Apple TV for free. How cool is that? Let's go into number 3. All right, now the next hack that I want to go over is that it has anniversary collections. So it has a collection of movies that were released 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. It is really cool to see the progression of cinema through the anniversaries. It is something that I have thoroughly enjoyed. I've gone to this collection and watched some old stuff, watched some new stuff. It is really cool. So how you would do that is you would open up the app and then you would scroll all the way down to browse by collections. And they have a lot of good stuff here, but you would scroll all the way over to 10, 15, 20, and 25 movie anniversaries. You would click it and then you could kind of scroll down and see what was made 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, 25 years ago, 30 years ago, 35 years ago, 50 and more years ago. It is really cool. And I see this as a very good tool for learning, to see the progression of cinema and to see how our movies have gotten better or worse, depending on your mindset on the whole thing. Also brings up a little bit of nostalgia. Also might make you feel old, but it's really cool that they filtered this and made it into a nice collection. All right, now that was number 3. Now the 4th and final hack that I want to go over is a free music channel. Now Apple TV, like MTV back in the day, like they have a music channel that just constantly runs music videos, and it is really cool. Now it is a live channel, so you can't really go back. Besides like 45 seconds, I think it is. You can't go back, you can't go forward, you can't click next, but it's perfect for a party. You just want to put up a bunch of music videos on the television. It's perfect for when you're doing chores or like whatever. It's if you like music. It's just really cool that they have a live music channel constantly running, and they're playing some of the top music out there. So in order to get that, you would again just open up the app and then you would scroll down to Apple Music TV. Now they do have a bunch of different thumbnails with a bunch of different artists, but they're all the same. So you can just click on whichever one that you want. All right, that's all we're gonna get because I don't want to get this video claimed or copyrighted. So super simple, super easy. As you can see, I just clicked it and it was live, and you get to see some awesome new and old music videos, but it's mostly new popular music that just came out that everyone is dying to hear. All right, and that's it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, I hope you learned something. Hopefully you got a little value out of it, and hopefully you save some money with that 3-month free trial. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can hit me up either in the email description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. Again, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.